Sir, good evening, sir. Srinivas, sir.
Yeah, good evening to all of you.
Yeah. Thank you so
Can I
much.
start
Thank you, sir.
my presentation? Vishnu, can you help me out?
I think most of you, the audience might know who Srinivas sir is, but however, let me have an honor to welcome him. Srinivas sir. Sorry. Vishnu, you saying something?
Yeah. Sir, shall we start with the company profile then?
No, you send me the presentation.
Yes, sir.
I'll go through just a sequence.
Yeah, Anil, please go ahead.
Okay. So yeah, I was just saying that Srinivas Raju, he has a 20+ years of extensive experience in terms of electronics warfare, military warfare, and he worked as an eminent scientist for almost 11 years, if I remember rightly, for DLRL Labs from 2003 to 14. And post that, he's taken the position as a CEO at the Unistrung Tech Solutions since 2014. And he has an extensive spans of experience and knowledge on image processing, FPGA, VLSI, MATLABs, machine learning, electronic warfare, and military communications, wireless communications. And he holds a strong educational background in terms of electronics, has a master's degree of MTech from IISc Bengaluru, and happy and a proud NIT graduate from electronics. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for taking time.
Thanks, Mr. Anil, for the nice words, sir. So let me just start, and I'm quite happy to see a good participation from the academia in terms of understanding what kind of courses and what kind of initiatives that industry like Unistrung Tech, AI startups such as Gnan Nidhi and the NSDC and ESSCA kind of thing. So you will get a fair, I'm sure the next 1 hour what we talk would definitely be beneficial to all of you in some manner or other. Dr. Vishnu, without delay, I wish to go ahead. If sharing to me takes time, you can go ahead and share it. Next presentation, at least drop me in my WhatsApp. I asked you to do small customization, right?
Sir.
Is it attached to me?
Yes, sir. It is attached to you.
Okay. Email?
No, sir, in WhatsApp. 1 minute, sir.
No, man. Can you please help me without wasting everyone's time? You flash, okay. Just help me, and meanwhile you send it. The next presentation I'll pick myself.
Okay.
Please start screen sharing. And I request organizers to pin my video so that can't be visible. So Dr. Vishnu, take a quick time for introducing about our company, and while talking about that, in between I'll also talk about the initiative, what we are talking about. So Unistrung Tech Solutions, I'm leading this company as a director and CEO. Once I left DRDO Lab Hyderabad since 2014. Unistrung today is a subsidiary of one of the listed company called Zen Technologies, which is there in the listing. So most of you might come across the names of Unistrung, Zen, or Zen only. So Unistrung is a EW and radar division of the Zen. You can think like, so all the EW and radar products, the counter drone systems, what Zen Technology supplies, they are designed, developed, manufactured by Unistrung. Can you go to next slide? So these are our clients. So as you can understand, we work with all Indian Armed Services, DRDO labs, public sector units, and some of companies are not mentioned here, like Tata, L&T. They're all clients, private clients to us. Can you go next? So Unistrung is on the fastest growth trajectory. So almost every year doubling the turnover from last several years. And we are the only company which has participated in the Operation Sindoor through multiple, we are the only Indian company which manufactured the counter drone systems and participated in Operation Sindoor through DRDO also, through Zen Technologies also. And during the Op Sindoor briefing, the Director General of Military Operations, in fact, has shown the systems of the DRDO supplied Zen Technology supplied counter drone systems which could effectively neutralize the drones. So Unistring and Zen Technology today are popularly known for the counter drone systems. Similarly, the systems that we supplied through DRDO and Bharat Electronics also popularly known in the national international community for the counter drone. So our journey has started from 2020 when the entire world is in a pandemic with the COVID and all. Our deep tech R&D on the counter drone has triggered at that time. And the first system in a remarkable time of 4 months that with the DRDO guidance and a strong initiative from the Bell, we went and deployed at the Red Fort. Of course, Bell has taken up a production as a lead integration partner down the lines, but right from the beginning, the DRDO and the private industry like us, the first image that shows in the background, you can see there is the Red Fort. This is the first time the Indian government has looked at the counter drone as a serious threat. And then onwards, the government support was phenomenal, both through like DRDO kind of R&D projects, and also the bulk orders that what Zen Technology has executed. So the latest generation systems you see here, you just go at a lot of major counter drone systems which Unistring has designed, developed, deployed, manufactured. Yeah, can you go next slide, please? So this is a recent one during Army parade. They have shown the system which is supplied to Army for the counter drone application. Can you further? Yeah, this is the leadership team. So I stand in the mid. So as you can understand, the Unistring is with the vision of same of DRDO, like it is complete in-house design development of R&D systems which are required for the Indian armed services. And our specialization lies in electronic warfare radar. So that is about, the most easy way of understanding is the jammers. So jammers and radar equipment is what we make. And we are fortunate to have Zen Technology on our board. Zen Technology is such a reputed Indian listed company with more than 25 years of established track record. So they invested in our company around 7 years before, and they also stand on our board. Mr. Ashok Atluri and Mrs. Silpa Chowdhury, they are from Zen Technology reps in our company in the board of directors. And Dr. M. Lakshminarayana, who is known popularly in the entire, not only in India, across the world. I think this week, I think he is going in one of the United States conference for paper presentation on antennas, representing Unistring. So he is a well-known person in IEEE community. And all the remaining vice presidents, they possess a background of work, studying from ISBs and, with a rich managerial experience. This is my total leadership team. Can you go next, please? So Unistring was recognized last 3-4 years post Op Sindoor. We got a wide recognition across different industries and all, even prior to that. And we are fortunate to get awards from last 2 years, FTCCA, Telangana government for the R&D and all. Most recently, we took the award from Honorable Minister Mr. Sridhar Babu. Can you go next, please? Yeah, these are the different other awards. So these are our trade exhibitions where Indian ministers, foreign ministers, armed services, Zen Technology, Unistring also exported the systems, these counter drone systems, to our friendly nations. Can you go next, please? So as a Unistring, like as I mentioned, we directly go with the vision of the DRDO, vision of Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So our complete approach is the in-house design development for all the subsystems, mechanical, electronics, FPGA board, microcontroller boards, antennas, all this. So today we are with more than 600 team manpower consisting in R&D production and established at Hyderabad. Can you further? I want to save time for the participants to get into the main topic. I'm rushing these intro slides, and Mr. Anil anyhow would forward all these slides. So this is one of the most memorable in our entire life, that when DGMO post Op Sindoor in briefing, he showed the photograph of the systems that we supplied through, where we are part of the supplier. We are not 100%, but through Zen Technology we are 100% supplier. The left and the mid image, the right image is through DRDO partnering with several private industry and Bell. We supplied the system. So we are fortunate to serve the country, and we are committed to serve the country to make country ready for future, neutralizing the drone attacks, different type of drone attacks and all. Yeah, further, please. So these are some of the appreciation letters that our company has received for the valuable contribution during Op Sindoor. Yeah, further. These are some of the news interviews that we gave during that time. I mean, interested participants can read more about deeper technologies on the counter drone. That is one of the important technology today wars need. As you can understand, both the Russia-Ukraine war as an example and Iran, what is happening if you see, those days have gone that, we send aircrafts, they send a missile. Nobody want to do that. Everybody want to keep the economical war is important today. So people are talking about sending 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs drone with a grenade that will go and neutralize 600 crores of aircraft. So what if you are interested, read about the Ukraine Operation Spider Web, where small drones with a few lakhs of cost has actually demolished or actually temporarily at least neutralized the fighter aircrafts. So the war is fought today with the drones, and if you have to neutralize the drones, you need counter drone technology. Fortunately, Unistrung Tech Solutions with the DRDO, Bharat Electronics, and Zen Technologies vision that we are at a lead stage in building the counter drone systems. Please go further, Dr. Vishnu. So this is a full-blown system. Whatever you saw during that army period slide, if that is erected and that is deployed at the border, it would look like this. The one standing tall will be the one which is an RF detection system. That is from drone, whatever the signals that you emit, it will detect right at 10-kilometer distance. The next system to that, what you are seeing is a radar. So this can detect the drones at different sizes, up to 10 kilometers, small size drones up to 5 kilometers. The other vehicle, which is completely you are seeing, it is a jammer that is capable of jamming RF link, GNSS link, everything. There is a reason why I am explaining so depth about the Unistrung Tech Solutions, because it is a Unistrung R&D team, and my friend circle who studied with me in BTech, MTech in NIT and ISC, we are committed to serve the nation in terms of creating the industry related courses. So the intention of telling all these technologies is the people who will be teaching the digital courses which Dr. Vishnu is going to present in next are the people who are building these kind of systems, the architects of the systems. Yeah. Can you go next? Yeah. And the one what you are seeing is 100% indigenously built systems. I think all of you know in defense doing everything 100% is extremely challenging. Most of the defense contracts is like importing from US, importing from Israel, importing from Germany becomes a major one. But the one what you saw, the previous one and this one, all are indigenous. Either we build it or our partnered industry build it. Like for example, vehicle is built by Mahindra. The shelter is built by another company. Masks are built by another Delhi company. All electronics is built by us. Integration happens at our place. Okay. Antennas are designed by us, which is like FR4 and Rogers materials. Of course, you have to import those NVIDIA chips. You have to import that other Xilinx chips and all that we don't make in India, but rest of the entire system is built in India. Can you go further? So this is another system that we have built. So this is an anti-aircraft gun which is capable of firing up to 5 kilometers firing, and our system is tested with this auto firing. If the drones are coming, this our system having camera will detect that, and with a 0.05 degree accuracy the gun is controlled and auto firing happens here. So that is what we have built the system. Can you go next? This is one of other technology. If some of you are deeply knowledgeable in antennas, you would appreciate the word called ASA, Active Electronic Scanned Array. It is one of the modern technology used in radar. So this is one of the 4-plank system. This is undergoing trials now. Further. So we are not only into counter drone, we are also into taking a drone at the border and penetrating into the border and being able to fulfill some mission. This is one of the decoy kind of thing. Sorry, this is surveillance. So this drone, when it flies at the border, it can look up to 30 to 50 kilometers deep into the territory and pinpoint where there are radars are there, where radios are there, etc. Can you go next slide, please?
Yes, sir.